Hey guys, it's Colleen. So, my quarterly box for Archer in August has come in. I have been tempted to look and see and get a sneak peek, but I did not. So, let's take a look at what we got. This box looks really familiar, like they've done this pattern and color before. All right, so let's get in here. So cute. So we can look at what it says. And let's open her up. All right, the presentation is nice. So I'm gonna flip this over so you guys can see what we're gonna be getting, but I'm not gonna look at it myself. All right, and then we'll put that to the side. Die cut stickers. So let's take a look at what this looks like. All right, let's see what the theme is. Looks like travel. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe theater. Okay. Theater or showbiz or something. Okay. Big top circus. Oh, these are cute. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. They did a good job with these. I like it. All right. So those are the die cut stickers. I'll just put that to the side. All right. So let's see what the washi looks like. We only get 2 this time. Oh no, it's 4. All right. Okay. This one is really cute. This one is okay. This one, not so much. It's all right. And this one, I like this one. So 2 out of the 4 I really like. Okay, I'll put that to the side. And then book page rest. All right. Okay. Not sure how that works. I'm gonna have to watch somebody else use this. Interesting. Okay. All right, so we got the acrylographs, but they look smaller. Is they going with a new size or something? Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me see. Let's pull one of these out. Nope, they're the exact same size. All right, so these colors look good. So red carpet. That's a pretty red. And then we got glimmer. Then ballet pink. And we got smoke blue. Midnight marquee. Kind of neat. Okay, so those are a win. All right, so I like those. Okay, so let's see what this is. Maybe this is some kind of notepad. I like trying to guess. Yep, a notepad. They've done this before, and I think I used it a little bit. It was a much bigger one, but this can actually sit out on the desk. It's kind of neat. And I guess you could use those, I guess they made for the acrylographs to go on them. Neat. You tear it out and put it in your journal. Neat. Okay. Now, had this been sold separately, I probably wouldn't have bought it, but I'm not unhappy to have it, you know. All right. Let's get rid of those. And let's see what this is. Now, I don't know what this could be, because I'm sure they wouldn't give us 2 notepads. So, I'm not sure what this is. Let's just see. Oh, it's kind of interesting. Okay, I guess you put mementos in here. Yeah. Not quite something. I probably won't use this. It's kind of cute, but yeah, I could have done without that. So I don't know what I'll do this. Maybe give this to one of my nieces. All right, that in my opinion is a dud. All right, so then we got 2 books left, and let's see what we got here. I can't open this. Oh, nice. Okay, they redeemed themselves with this. Very, very nice. Oh, I'm liking every part of this. Yes, that's gorgeous. I'm going to be so excited to use this. It's really pretty. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then it's, you know, just a regular notebook, except for the first page. Really neat. I like this a lot. You stick up the pocket in the back. There's a strong chemical smell coming from it, but it doesn't bother me. Just FYI. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. No, I'm really happy about this box now. It was looking a little sketchy before then. But, yeah, that saved the day right there. That's so pretty. Alrighty. So let's put that to the side, and then let's see what we got here. This looks really frilly and girly. I'm happy to see what this looks like. Alright, so let's take a look. Okay. It's cute. There's no wow factor there for me. It's like a linen cover with gold foiling. It's not bad. And we got foiling on the inside. Yep. It's okay. This is just okay. Alright, so let's recap on what we got here. And get that back out. Let's recap. We got that. We got this. And then to me, the star of the show is right there. And then we got that. We got the die cuts. I really like those. And we got the acrylographs. I really like those. We got the washi. Let's see. And then whatever this is, I'm going to have to see other people use this to see how you use this. All right. All right. So that is what I had from my Archer and Olive subscription box. It's a quarterly box. So, yeah, so it's cute. I'm not unhappy about this box. It's not all a home run, but it's enough that I'm not mad at the price I paid. This right here, really cute. This, really cute. All right, guys, I would love to hear what you think about it. And so leave me a comment. Talk to you later.